Sharp objects such as nails and glass, along with potholes, uneven roads and debris, can wreak havoc on your vehicle's tyres. They can puncture and deflate them, causing inconvenience and frustration, along with having to pay out for a repair or replacement. Surface scuffs, debris marks, scrapes or scratches, curb and pothole damage can spoil the appearance of your alloy wheels and significantly reduce the value of your car. These are some of the inevitable consequences of using your car regularly. Don't let it get you down. We can take away this worry and hassle with our tyre and alloy wheel maintenance plan. Our approved maintenance agents provide regular attention to your vehicle through our maintenance inspections, and if a puncture is found, they will carry out a repair or provide a brand new replacement. They will also carry out alloy wheel treatments using modern smart alloy wheel treatment techniques, or contribute towards a replacement, therefore preserving the appearance of your vehicle, saving you inconvenience and money. Organising an inspection and treatments are easy. There are no lengthy claim forms to fill out. All it takes is one simple call to one of our experienced advisors, and they will handle the rest. We will book you in directly with our national network of approved maintenance agents. All of our technicians are trained to the highest standard and utilise the latest tyre repair and smart alloy wheel treatment methods, including diamond cut alloy wheels. We will provide unlimited puncture repairs, up to 5 tyre replacements and up to 10 alloy wheel treatments. All treatments and repairs are guaranteed for 12 months. Payment will be made directly to the maintenance agent, meaning no cost is incurred by you. Ask about a ramp tyre and alloy wheel maintenance plan today.